Nature seems perfectly peaceful, but a hidden, silent invasion happens every single day.
Meet the parasitoids, incredible creatures that secretly grow inside living hosts without a sound.
A specialized wasp leaves a tiny egg inside a host. The host feels nothing.
This host simply continues its daily life, entirely unaware of the growing passenger inside.
The invader carefully absorbs non-essential nutrients, keeping its living home alive and fully mobile.
Fungi do this too. The famous Cordyceps fungus completely takes over a host ant.
Under eerie mind control, the ant climbs to a high leaf and permanently anchors.
A beautiful new life form eventually blooms from the resting host, spreading spores like magic.
Though it sounds terrifying, these remarkable silent hunters naturally prevent insect overpopulation and damage.
Our food chain is truly bizarre and perfectly balanced. Subscribe for more hidden science.